Hello friends, this is class 6, subject English, book Honeysuckle. Today we are going to do poem 5. The name of poem 5 is Where Do All the Teachers Go? And this is going to be our lecture 2. Points to be covered in today's class. First of all, introduction to the poem. Then, summary of the poem will be told. Thereafter, previous homework discussion will be done. And at last, homework will be assigned on the basis of today's explanation. First of all, let's do introduction to the lesson. As soon as I told you, where do all the teachers go? Before we begin with the next part of the poem, we all must know who are teachers. A teacher is a person who provides education for pupils and students. The role of a teacher is often formal and ongoing. It is carried out at a school or other place of formal education. I repeat, a teacher is a person who provides education for pupils and students. The role of a teacher is often formal and ongoing, and it is also carried out at a school or other place of formal education. He is the poet of the poem whose name is Peter Dickson. You can clearly see the image of the poet who has composed the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? Peter Dickson. Now, I am going to tell you about the poet of this poem. He is an author, poet, performer and educationalist. Peter Dickson is a former primary school teacher and senior university lecturer. He is also the author of many poetry books, including The Color of My Dreams and The Tortoise Had a Mighty Roar. I repeat about Peter Dickson that Peter Dickson is an author, poet, performer and also an educationalist. He is a former primary school teacher and of course a senior university lecturer as well. He is also the author of many poetry books. Now here are the names of two poetry books which are very famous. The Color of My Dreams and The Tortoise Had a Mighty Roar. Now I shall tell you the summary of the poem Where Do All the Teachers Go? A child always keeps a special place in his or her heart for his or her teacher. Means a child always possesses a special corner in his heart for his teacher. A teacher is always a special person for a child and he always respects, obeys his or her teacher. Next is he wants to know if they live in houses and also wash their clothes. He means here poet. The poet actually wants to know whether the teachers live in their houses. Do they have their houses or not? Or do they wash their own dirty clothes or not? Yes beta, I would like to tell you, your teachers also live in their houses. Nowadays during COVID-19 pandemic, we people are teaching you from our homes only. We also wash our clothes when our clothes get dirty. Next, he wonders if they feel relaxed at home, wear pajamas and watch TV. Yes beta, when you feel tired, you also feel relaxed home and For making yourself feel relaxed home, what do? For your entertainment, you turn on or you switch on the TV and you entertain yourself. And of course, in order to feel relaxed at home, you wear pajamas as well. You change your tight clothes. In the same way, your teachers also do the same. They also change their clothes whenever they want to feel relaxed, whenever they want to get themselves entertained, they also switch on the TV. So, your teachers also do the same things as you people do. He is also eager to know, means the poet wants to know desperately if the teachers have their parents at home, and if they too were naughty at school, spelled the words wrongly, ate chocolates in the class, and were told to stand in the corner as punishment. Yes, beta, I would like to explain you. The poet is eager to know, he just wanted to know whether the teachers have their parents at home or not. Yes, of course, we do have our parents. If they too were naughty at school or not. Yes, when we were in our childhood, when we were living our childhood, we were also naughty. Your teachers were also naughty at that time. Spelled the words wrongly. Yes, it is rightly said that mistakes, when we learn from mistakes, that teaches us a lot. So we also spelt wrong words when we were in our childhood. We also ate chocolates in the class, and we were also told to stand in the corner when we did something wrong. But we learned from that punishment and we never tried to repeat that mistake. The child compares his own habits with those of the teachers in their childhood. Means the child wants to know, he is eager to know whether his or her teachers did the same things in their childhood as they do in their own childhood. Means as the children do in their own childhood. They too must have lost their prayer book. Prayer book means hymn books. Wore dirty jeans and scribbled on the desktops. Yes, beta, when your mama is unable to wash your dirty jeans, sometimes you wear it and scribbled on the desktops. As you also know that this is the favorite time pass of the students in the school, when they scribble on the desktop. When we were students, when we were in childhood, we also did the same. The child plans to follow his teacher to find out what he or she does at home. Okay, now the child means here the poet, Peter Dixon, he plans to follow his teacher, to chase his teacher, to find out what his or his teacher does at home. So he goes back when it is 4 o'clock, he chases the teacher to find out what his teacher does at home. What is the daily routine of his teacher? He will then record that in a poem. Means that has already been recorded in the poem that you have just read, that I have just explained. The teacher will read that poem to other children as fun. Here the teacher is your teacher, English teacher, and the children are you all, who all are listening to me. So the teacher will read that poem. I have already read this poem, I have already explained this poem to other children, means to all of you as fun. So you also came to know that your teachers also lived the same childhood as you are living nowadays. Now students, it is the time to start with the new words of this poem. I request you to write the name of the poem, Where Do All the Teachers Go? number of the poem, that is poem 5, and the book from which this poem has been taken, that is Honeysuckle. You are supposed to write all these things, and of course you are supposed to make a correction work column as well. Let's begin. Number 1 is 4 o'clock. In the lesson it is given, where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Here 4 o'clock means dispersal time, when the school gets over. Number 2, socks. Here in the poem it is written that, and do they wash their socks? Socks means clothes. Of course, teachers wash their all the clothes that they wear, not only socks but all the clothes. So, socks means clothes. Number 3, pick their noses. Pick their noses means clean their noses. Teachers also clean themselves when they get dirty. They also clean their noses. Number 4, mums and dads. That means family members. Teachers also have their family members, their mom, their dad, their siblings, means their sisters and brothers. They also do have their family members. So here mums and dads means family members. Number 5, pinched the chocolate flakes. Pinched means steal. You also might have stolen the chocolates or some other things of your choice that you like the most. So in the teacher's childhood, did they even steal somebody's chocolate flakes or some Lays or something else that they like the most? Yes, of course they might have. Next is hymn books. Hymn books means religious books. They might have also lost their hymn books or their religious books when they were children, when the teachers were children. Number 7, scribble. Scribble is write in careless way. Scribbling is the favorite time pass of the students when they are in the school, or when they do not like the lecture, they generally like to scribble on the desktops. Your teachers might have also scribbled on the desktops when they were children. Next is follow. Follow means chase. Here the poet wants to follow or chase his teacher to know what his teacher actually does at his or her home. Now you are supposed to write heading, let's answer the questions or question answers. Question number 1, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? And the answer is, the poet thinks that his teachers are not ordinary persons. He looks upon them as super or special human beings. So he wants to know where they go and what they do after the school hours. I repeat, the question is, why does the poet want to know where the teachers go at 4 o'clock? Its answer is, the poet thinks that his teachers are not ordinary persons. He looks upon them as super or special human beings. And this is the only reason he wants to know where they go and what they do after the school hours or after the dispersal time. Question number 2. What are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? Now, we'll talk about this. Normal people return to their homes, they change their clothes, wash their faces and become fresh. They also rest for a while. Some of them go for shopping or help the children with their homework. So, I repeat it. The question is, what are the things normal people do that the poet talks about? Its answer: normal people return to their homes, change their clothes, wash their faces, and afterwards they become fresh. They also rest for a while. Some of them go for shopping or help the children with their homework. Now, this is the time to assign you homework. You are supposed to write the answers in your rough notebook because in the next class we are going to discuss the answers of these questions. Question number 1. Why does the poet wonder if teachers also do things that other people do? Question number 2. How does the poet plan to find out? Its next part is, what will he do once he finds out? Students, the question answers and the new words which we discussed today, you are supposed to do those question answers and new words in your fair notebook, and the 2 questions which I am assigning you in homework, these are supposed to be done in your rough notebook. I hope you are doing your homework regularly and you are proving yourself better each and every day. Thank you so much for your cooperation, and please like the video. Press on like button if you like the video. Thank you so much.